At any given moment, there are over 10,000 aircraft in the sky. To the untrained eye, they're just silver streaks in the clouds. But to the engineers who build them, the sky is a puzzle, and every aircraft is a specific tool designed to solve a different problem. From the tiny Cessnas that landing on grass strips to the massive wide-body liners that bridge continents, and the supersonic hunters that patrol the edge of space, the diversity of flight is staggering. Today, we are breaking down every major type of aircraft, how they work, and why they look the way they do. First, we have light sport and trainer aircraft. Think of the Cessna 172 or the Piper Cherokee. These are the compact cars of the sky. They are built for stability and simplicity, usually featuring a single piston engine and high-set wings for better visibility of the ground. They don't fly fast or far, but they are the machines where every airline captain first learns to fly. Moving up, we find business and private jets. These are the Ferraris, machines like the Gulfstream G650 or the Bombardier Global 7500. They trade efficiency for pure speed and altitude, flying high above the weather at nearly the speed of sound. They feature rear-mounted engines to keep the cabin quiet and supercritical wings designed for high-altitude efficiency. The regional jet, small, agile, and powered by two turbofans, like the Embraer E-Series. These are built for hub and spoke missions, short hops between smaller cities and major hubs. They are optimized for quick turnarounds and short runways. Then, we have the narrow-body airliner. This is the workhorse of the modern world. The Boeing 737 and Airbus A320. With a single aisle and a range of about 3,000 miles, these machines move more people than any other aircraft type. They are the perfect balance of fuel economy and capacity. Finally, the wide-body, or jumbo jets, the Boeing 777, the Airbus A350, and the legendary 747. These feature two aisles and massive wingspans. They are built for long-haul missions, 15-hour flights across oceans. Their size isn't just for passengers, it's for the massive fuel tanks required to stay airborne for half a day. The fighter aircraft is the apex predator. These are split into air superiority fighters like the F-15, built to win dogfights, and multi-role fighters like the F-35, built to do everything from stealth recon to ground strikes. They use low-bypass turbofans, engines that prioritize raw thrust over fuel economy. Next are the bombers. These are the heavy hitters. From the stealthy B-2 Spirit to the venerable B-52, these are flying warehouses designed to carry massive payloads over extreme distances. But the unsung heroes are the transport and tankers. The C-17 Globemaster is a flying cavern that can land a 70-ton tank on a dirt strip. And the tankers? They are the gas stations of the sky, extending the range of every other jet through mid-air refueling. Rotary wing aircraft or helicopters don't need runways. By spinning their wings, the blades, instead of moving the whole plane, they can hover, fly backward, and land on hospital roofs. Then there are the amphibious aircraft and seaplanes. These feature boat hull fuselages or massive floats. They are essential for island nations or firefighting water bombers, which can scoop up 1,600 gallons of water from a lake in just 12 seconds without ever stopping. We also have tilt rotors like the V-22 Osprey. It's a hybrid, taking off like a helicopter but tilting its engines forward to fly like a high-speed turboprop. It's the best of both worlds, and the most complex mechanical puzzle in the sky. The final type is the dedicated freighter. While they look like airliners, they are hollowed-out shells. Some, like the Beluga or the Dreamlifter, have bulged fuselages designed to carry entire wings of other airplanes inside them. As we look forward, a new type is emerging. eVTOL. electric vertical takeoff and landing. These are the flying taxis of tomorrow: quiet, electric, and distributed. The history of aviation is the history of specializing. We built a different wing for every task, a different engine for every speed, and a different fuselage for every cargo. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the machines of the sky, hit the like button. We're covering every type of ship next, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.